It begins with a wish, a quiet longing, a spark within your soul, a gentle desire for something more. It begins with a need to find a place that speaks to your spirit, a sanctuary where you can reconnect with yourself, with nature, and with the ones you love. A space of stillness, of harmony, of wellness. Welcome to River Grove, a visionary new development nestled in the serene heart of Kingwood, just 20 miles from downtown Houston and only 15 minutes from George Bush Intercontinental Airport. Here, luxury meets intention, comfort meets consciousness, and design meets devotion. River Grove is more than a destination. It is a thoughtfully crafted community where each detail is rooted in purpose. The project brings together 4 luxury hotels, a senior living residence, a holistic wellness clinic, and a diverse mix of residential and commercial spaces. This is a place created for both the visitor and the dweller, for those seeking rest and those seeking belonging. At its heart, River Grove is a celebration of well-being, of balance, of life lived in connection. Our sacred commitments to design. Respect the environment. We honor the land by preserving its natural essence, protecting its woodlands and wetlands through low-density, mindful development. Create unique places. Each corner of the site holds its own spirit, and our design amplifies its uniqueness, crafting spaces with soul and identity. Embrace the water. Water flows through River Grove like breath, a sacred thread of life connecting trails, quiet spaces, and gentle riverscapes. Uplift the community. We give back through beauty, creating low-impact recreational spaces that enrich neighboring lives while protecting the earth that nurtures us all. A refuge, a reconnection, a new way forward. River Grove, a place where the noise fades and the soul begins to speak. A sanctuary where earth, water, and sky embrace you, where design serves your spirit, and each moment invites presence. Here, wellness is not a service, it's a way of being, a home, not just for the body, but for the heart, a space to heal, to grow, to breathe. River Grove, the place where you are free to slow down, to remember what truly matters, and simply be yourself.